Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, now in this video we are going to discuss about the surface area and the volume of solids. Solid means here only two solids, the cuboid and the cube. So here in case of cuboid, the cuboid is just a 3D diagram like your pencil box or a brick in this way. So this is a cuboid and this one here a cube. For example, it's a Ludo dice. Okay. Now for the cuboid. For the cuboid, you know here length equal to L, breadth equal to here B, and height equal to H. These are the three dimensions. And for the cube, all sides are equal. That means length, breadth, and height all are A unit. So for this one here, the surface area. Okay, surface area means, or you can also call this one as total surface area. Okay, total surface area of a cuboid, the formula here 2 into LB plus BH plus LH, then here unit square. Now here the total surface area of a cube, that one equal to here 6a square. Okay, 6a square. Next one here, lateral surface area. Lateral surface area, that means the area of the side one, not the upper and the lower. Okay, not the upper one and the lower one. So in that case, the formula will be here 2 into L plus B into H. Okay, unit square. And here the lateral surface, not TSA, it's LSA. Lateral surface area, that one equal to here 4a square, unit square. Okay, now next here volume of cuboid L into B into H, and here unit cube. Here volume of a cube, that is a cube. Okay, here also unit cube. Now the last one here, diagonal. Okay, diagonal of a cube. So diagonal means from that vertex to that one. So diagonal is the longest lane in a cuboid and also in a cube. So here the diagonal formula equal to root over L square plus B square plus H square unit, and here the diagonal equal to root 3a unit. So these are the formulas. So now let's start exercise 16.4. So here the first problem, sum number 1. Find the surface area and the volume of a cube whose one edge, okay, whose one edge 7 centimeter. So as here edge 7 centimeter, that means here A equal to 7 centimeter. Now surface area, so you know the formula, it's 6a square, that means 6 into 7 square, so 6 into 49. Okay, so 49 into 6, 294. 294 centimeter square. Next, volume. Now formula volume, you know that A cube, that means here 7 cube. So 49 into 7, here 343 centimeter cube is your answer. Number 2. Find the surface area and the volume of a rectangular solid measuring 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter. So as here length equal to 5 meter, breadth equal to 4 meter, height equal to 3 meter. So here surface area, you know the formula 2 into L into B, then B into H, then L into H. So here 20 plus 12 plus 15. Okay, it's meter square. So now 20 plus 12 plus 15, 47 into 2, that means 94 meter square. And here the volume equal to L into B into H, and that one equal to here 60 meter cube as your answer. Next, number 3. the length and breadth of a rectangular solid respectively, length here 25 centimeter, breadth here 20 centimeter. If the volume 7000 centimeter cube, so volume means L into B into H, that one equal to here 7000. So here H equal to 7000 divided by L into B. L means 25, B here 20. So 0 0 cancel out. 700 divided by 25, it's 28, divided by 2, it's 14. So here H equal to 14 centimeter, that is your answer. Next, number 4. A classroom is 10 meter long, 6 meter broad. So length equal to 10 meter. Here breadth equal to 6 meter. Height equal to 4 meter. How many students can it accommodate if one student needs 1.5 meter square of floor area? So that means here first you have to find out the floor area. Floor means a rectangle. Rectangle means length into breadth. So 10 into 6, here 60 meter square. Okay, and as here one student needs 1.5 meter square, so that means here number of students, that one equal to total area divided by 1.5, and that is 40. Okay, number of student here 40. How many cubic meter of air will each student have? So here total volume equal to 10 into 6 into 4 meter cube. Then each student, okay, volume of air for each student, that one equal to 10 into 6 into 4, that means total volume divided by 40. So it's 10, 10, 10 cancel out, that means 6 meter cube. That is your second answer. Okay, now some number 5. 5a. The volume of a cuboid is 1440 centimeter cube. So volume equal to 1440 of a cuboid. If its height, so here height equal to 10 centimeter. The cross section is a square. Find the side of the square. So as here the cross section is a square, that means length and breadth are equal. Okay, so in that case the formula volume will be A into A, as here A is the length and A is the breadth, then into H, that one equal to here 1440. So here A square equal to 1440 divided by 10, that is 144. So here A equal to 12. Square root of 144, that one equal to 12. So side of the square, that one equal to 12. Your answer. Next, B. The perimeter of one face of a cube is, so here perimeter equal to 20 centimeter. That means side of the cube will be divided by 4 as square. So that means here 5 centimeter. Find the surface area and the volume. So here the surface area formula 6a square. That means 6 into 5 square. Okay, 5 square means 25. So 25 into 6, 150 centimeter square. Next, volume. Volume means a cube. So 5 whole cube. That means 125 centimeter cube is your answer. Okay, next sum number 6. In sum number 6, Mary wants to decorate her Christmas tree. She wants to place a tree on a wooden box covered with colored paper with pictures of Santa Claus. She must know the exact quantity of paper to buy for this purpose. If the box has length, so here length equal to 80 centimeter, breadth equal to 40 centimeter, and height equal to here 20 centimeter respectively, then how many square sheets of paper of side 40 centimeter? Okay, So here the side square sheet here 40 centimeter would see required. So that means first here you have to find out the total surface area of the box. Okay, total surface area of the box, that is 80 into 40, sorry, that is the formula for the volume. Total surface area means 2 into 80 into 40, then here 40 into 20, then here 80 into 20 centimeter square. Okay, so here 80 into 40, so 3200, then here 800, 1600 centimeter square. So 1600 plus 800 plus 3200, it's 5600 into 2, that means 11200 centimeter square. Okay, now here the area of the square sheet, that is 40 into 40 centimeter square. Okay, area of square sheet 40 into 40. So here number of sheets equal to total area divided by area of the sheet. So it's cancel out, that means 112 divided by 16 and it's 7. So here number of sheets equal to 7. That is your answer. Next, sum number 7. The volume of a cuboid is 3600 centimeter cube. That means L into B into H, 3600. Here H equal to 12. The cross section is a rectangle whose length and breadth are in the ratio 4:3. So length to breadth 4:3. That means here length equal to 4x, breadth equal to here 3x, x equal to non-zero constant. Find the perimeter of the cross section. So here L means 4x, breadth means 3x, h means 12, so 3600. So that is 300. So here 12x square equal to 300. Okay, so 300 divided by 12, it's 25. So that means here x equal to 5. So here length equal to 20, breadth equal to 5 3s are 15. Now you have to find out the perimeter. So perimeter means 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 20 plus 15. Okay, centimeter. That means here 70 centimeter is your answer. Now the last one, sum number 8. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video with your friends and please subscribe my channel. And if you want the solution of the others chapter, then please visit our website. The website link is in your description box. So here in sum number 8, the volume of a cube. Okay, cube means a cube is the volume formula. So 729. Find its surface area and the length of a diagonal. So to find out the surface area, first here you have to find out the value of A. So here value of A will be, first you have to find out the number, which cube is 729. Okay, so here 9 cube. 9 cube equal to 729, which is 99, 81 and 829, 729. So here A equal to 9. As here A equal to 9, so surface area equal to formula 6A square. That means 6 into 9 square. So 6 into 81, okay, that one equal to 486 centimeter square. Next one here, diagonal. Diagonal formula root 3 into A, that means 9. So 9 root 3 centimeter.